अगर आप जम्पुई हिल्स आ रहे हो तो एक जगह है जिसको मिस करना ऑलमोस्ट क्राइम है, हिडन टूरिस्ट लॉज। क्लाउड्स के बीच स्टे करना, सनराइज और सनसेट हिल्स के ऊपर से देखना and the total mountain silence. This gives you all of that in one frame. Eden Tourist Lodge is one of the only proper government approved tourist lodge inside Jampui Hills. ये लॉज नॉर्थ त्रिपुरा के जम्पुई हिल्स में लोकेटेड है and it's literally built on the top of the mountains. यहाँ स्टे करते टाइम you are actually living inside clouds. कभी क्लाउड्स नीचे होती है, कभी क्लाउड्स ऊपर आके पूरी हिल्स को कवर कर लेती है. The views, the air, the silence, and everything here feels unreal. Eden Tourist Lodge is not just about rooms, it's about location. From where you can easily visit Betlingship, the highest peak of Tripura, Bakon, the cleanest village of Tripura, the eco park, viewpoints, sunset points, and paragliding zone, and sunrise and sunset here. Honestly, you don't even need to go anywhere else, just step outside your room. Now listen carefully. You cannot go there and book a room directly. Eden Tourist Lodge works only on pre-booking system. No walk-in bookings allowed. So if you reach Jampui Hills without booking, you will not get a room here. Open your browser and search Tripura Tourism Eden Tourist Lodge. The first or second result will be from the official Tripura Tourism website. I have also put the link in the description. Click that and you will land on the Eden Tourist Lodge page. Scroll down and you will find the booking section. Enter the details such as check-in date, check-out date, and the number of guests. For example, I selected 5th February to 6th February, 5 adults. Then click check eligibility. Room types and prices. You will see these three options. First, the double bedded AC room, rupees 1680 per night. Then 3 bedded AC room, rupees 1909 per night, and premium double bedded AC room, rupees 3675 per night. Choose the one that fits your group and budget. Then click book now. Now it will ask you to log in. If you don't have an account, just click sign up and enter name, phone number, email and password. Once done, log in. Now fill in the booking form. Name, phone, email, address, state, city, pin code, country, and choose an ID proof. Aadhaar, driving license, voter ID or passport. If you have any special request, you can also write it here. Select online payment. That's the only option. You can pay using UPI, debit card, credit card, or even net banking. After payment, make sure you take screenshots of transaction ID, payment successful page, and confirmation screen. You will receive a confirmation email. That email is your room booking proof. When you reach Eden Tourist Lodge, just show that email at the reception. That's it. So if you are planning Jampui Hills, Eden Tourist Lodge should be your first booking, because staying here means sunrise above clouds, sunset over endless hills. This is 9x Vlogs and I will see you in the next travel story. Thank you.